Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to make age calculator on MS Excel. So friends, many times you feel problem while working on your computer, like if there is no internet and you are unable to open any online calculator, so you can use your MS Excel and give just a formula and you can use your Excel cell age calculator. So friends, the formula is that you have to just type here dated if and then give parenthesis and then choose the cell and then type here today and then give another parenthesis and then type here y and you have to click there enter. As you give your date of birth here like 27 1997 is my date of birth and you can see my date of birth as of today as per my computer date. So my age is 27 and if you give any random age like 24/9/2003, so the age will be reflected here. So hope guys this video is useful for you. You can make your Excel cell age calculator within seconds. Thank you.